Model, 62-plate Fiat Doblò Cargo 1.3 MultiJet 16-valve SX Euro 5. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 113,175. MOT, the 28th of November 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 199A3000B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, turbo needs replacing. Gearbox perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on